In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a website for free. So normally you would have to pay for hosting and a domain name, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free hosting and a free domain name so that you can build your own website for free. Even if you don't have any experience, I'm going to show you step by step how you can build your own website. So if you're interested in finding out how you can do that, then keep watching this video and let's just jump into my PC right now to find out how we can get started. And here we are on my PC. So right now I'm going to show you how you can get a free domain and free hosting. Let's start off with the domain. So for the domain, you want to make sure to go in a new incognito window and then you want to search for Freenom. So Freenom is the website that's going to help us get a domain name for free. So a domain name is basically your website name that people can type in to access your website, such as youtube.com, google.com. All of these are domain names that you type in to access a website. So to get one for free, you want to go to a website called Freenom, and this is where you can get your free domain. So first of all, you want to click on sign in the top right corner. Right here, you can then sign up for an account. Alright, so once you've signed up, you want to click right there and then click on register a new domain. Once you do that, you should be able to type in your domain name that you're trying to get right here. For example, if I type in how to digital and then hit check availability, you'll then find all of the free domains that are available. So choose the one that you would like to use. For the sake of this video, I'll go with this one right here. So you can click on get it now, and right there you can then click on checkout. On the checkout page, you want to make sure to select the period and change it to 12 months. So you can see that for the first 12 months, it's free. After that, you want to make sure to let it expire and then get this domain again for free. Click on continue right now to go ahead and actually get the domain. You then want to make sure to complete your order right here. If you then click right here and then click on my domains, you'll end up right here. So as you can see right now, I've got this domain howtodigital.ml. It's active and it's free. Alright, so that's it for the domain. Next up, you want to go to a website called infinityfree.net and you want to sign up for an account. So click on sign up now and then sign up for an account. So I'll do that right now. So basically what you need to do is simply sign up right here, and then within a few seconds I'm going to show you how that works and how we can then use this to actually set this up. Okay, so I'll just enter a password, agree to the terms, confirm that I'm not a robot, and then click on create new account. They will then send you a verification link, so I'm going to open my email. Alright, so there's the email. Let's click on verify email address. And there we go. Next up, you want to go to Freenom and then click on manage domain. You then want to click on management tools and then click on name servers. And then click on use custom name servers. Alright, so next up, you want to open this page. I'll leave a link in the description down below and you can then copy these name servers. Okay, so copy them, then go back to Freenom and paste them in there. Then click right there. Please pay attention that this can take up to 24 hours. However, in my experience, it takes about 20 up to 30 minutes. So I'm going to click right there and then I'll get back to you within a few minutes. Alright, so once you've done that, you want to go back to Infinity Free and then click on create account right there. So you want to set up your own first account. So right there, choose a domain name. You want to click custom domain. Then go to Freenom, then click on my domains right there. And then you want to copy this domain that you want to use. Okay, so for me, that's howtodigital.ml. Paste it in there and then search domain. Next up, scroll down. Right there you can change the account label if you want to, account username, but right there you also want to make sure to put in your account password from Infinity Free so that you can confirm this and create your account. Once you've done that, click on create account right there. And there you go. So you've just created your account. Right there you can then open your control panel. So you want to do that. They will then send you over to this panel. Before that, you want to approve this. And there you go. The panel will now load. So this is where you can actually go into your cPanel, and this is the backend of your hosting. You can then scroll down until you find software right there and then click on the Softwareless Apps Installer. Now this is where we can install WordPress so that we can actually build our own website. So click on WordPress right there and then click on install. Now this is where you can then install WordPress. So you can go with the quick install or you can scroll down enter the information in here, and you can then select a theme if you want to. I'll just go with, let's see, this theme right here. Click on select and then click on install right there. Alright, so this can take up to a couple of minutes. I'll get back to you once this is done. And there we go. So WordPress is installed. Right there you can find the links to WordPress. So you can click right there and you'll then find your website. So this is what our website currently looks like. You can then also click right there to sign in into the backend of your WordPress website. Alright, so in here you can click on my blog in the top left corner. This is your website. You can click on customize, and this is where you can start building your website. If I wanted to change the background, I would click on customize. I would then click on the header banner background, click on change image, and then I can upload files. For example, let's say I want to have, let's see, I'll just go in here and then thumbnails. Let's say I wanted to have this one as my header banner. I then upload that, click on choose image, and there you go. So I've just changed the header on here. I know this doesn't look good, it's just random. It's just to show you that this stuff actually works and that you can actually start building a WordPress website. Alright, so now you can actually start customizing and creating your website by simply going to the customize section on WordPress, and this is where you can customize your website. You can change the active theme, for example. If I click right there, you can go with any of these ones. If I just go with this one, click on live preview, we can find out what that one looks like. You can then change the site identity, the colors, the media, menus, all of it. So this is where you would actually build your website. And let's say that from now on, I want to choose this template. You can then click right there on activate and publish. Now, once you do that, you'll start using this template right here instead of the one that you were previously using. Let's show you a couple of things here. So first of all, I want to show you how you can add a logo to your website. So for that, you want to click on your site identity and then click on logo. You can click on select logo, upload files, click on select files, and then you can upload it. So I'll go with my channel logo actually, which is right here. I'll upload that, and then if you click select right there, you can also choose to add a title. So I'm going to call this HTD. You can add a caption, a description, and you also have a link for this specific image right there. If I click on select, I can cut this as well, crop image right there, and there we go. So right now I've got this as my channel logo. It will then show up right here in this theme, and I'm pretty sure that will also show up right here. Let's actually test that right now. And this is how you can get a free website. So right now I've shown you how you can get free domains and free hosting. I showed you how you can then install WordPress for that domain. And yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys in this video. So if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like on the video. That would help me out so much. I can keep creating the content because of your like. It would mean a lot. Also leave a comment down below letting me know if this works and if you have any questions, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.